I started smoking young, right out of high school. Myself and my friends, that was like our guilty pleasure, and everybody else was smoking, so why not? I didn't realize at the time when I first started smoking that I would continue to smoke for over 20 years and it'd be such a big part of my life. I pretty much planned my life around smoking. It was something that I thought about all the time. If I think about how much money I could have saved with every pack of cigarettes that I bought, I would probably be able to retire right now. The day I called the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, I spoke with a coach, and he was so amazing. He talked to me about all the benefits of quitting smoking, and if I needed to speak with someone, if I felt like I wanted to smoke, then I could call and talk to a coach, and they would help me get through the moment. He also told me about the resources that they had, and he said that they were all free. If I had to pay for patches and gum out of pocket, I don't know if I would have taken the step to do that on my own. I recently bought my home in November of 2022, and a big part of that happened because I was able to save money since I've quit smoking. No smoking in my house. It feels amazing that I was able to beat this addiction. And I say that because now I have a brand new home, I'm taking trips, I'm spending quality time with my family. If it wasn't for the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, I would still be smoking today.